Road Safety Concern (RSC) is an app to add critical public concerns. App can be downloaded from the website rsc.dor.gov.np. Open the app. This is how it looks. Click on Login button at top of the screen. There are two options to log in: through email and password, and through phone number. Click Phone Number tab, enter name and phone number. An OTP is sent to entered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Verify and Login. Once verification is completed, you are redirected to dashboard. First thing you need to do is download data from server. Otherwise, warning is shown. For that, go to Settings and press Download Data from Server. The info icon at the top shows the information about the system. Notification icon at the bottom shows the notification from the system. General and personnel notification are separated in tabs. The map icon opens the map. To take an observation, click the concerned item from the dashboard. It opens the form and user need to fill up the form. Select observation, urgency, severity, and add some notes. For location, click the pin icon at the right, allow permission, and it will record the current GPS location of the phone. Click the camera icon to capture a picture, allow permission, and take photo. Add caption. Take second photo if required. You can also upload the photo from the gallery of your phone. Capture video by clicking the record icon. Add video description. Click Save Data button. This will save the observation in the phone storage. You can take as much observation as you need. Let's click No Helmet in Traffic Violations section. Select observation, urgency, and severity as before. Add some notes. Set location coordinates. Take photographs. Upload video. Press Delete button to delete the video if not needed. Press Save Data. Press Observation icon at the bottom menu bar to view list of observations taken. Press View to view the observation. You can edit, delete, and upload it to the server. Press Edit button to edit the observation. Edit the required section. Let's replace the photograph. Press Replace and upload a new one. Press Update Data once edited. Now let's upload the observation to the server. Press Upload button and confirm it. It is successfully uploaded. The status is changed to uploaded. You can still edit and re-upload it. It will replace the old data in the server. Let's upload other one also. Press Upload and confirm it. Now you can delete this record or keep it in your phone's memory. Press Delete button and confirm it to delete. Once uploaded, the map will show the point location of observations that have been recorded nearby. Simply drag the map to view the observation all over. That's all the operation of this app.